If you're thinking about buying from the British Council, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before taking the plunge. Whether you're looking for an online course or their services, it's important to have the full picture first. Stick around till the end because we'll compare it to other platforms and I'll reveal how you can get the best deal when signing up. Let's start with the first thing. British Council's reputation in the language learning and international exams industry is solid, but how does it really compare to other options? With decades of experience and a wide range of accredited programs, they've earned a great name. But, depending on your learning needs, you might find some of their competitors offering similar or even better options at lower prices. For example, platforms like Duolingo or Rosetta Stone offer great learning opportunities. But the British Council adds an extra layer of authority, especially if you're preparing for an English proficiency exam like IELTS. Next thing to consider, their courses and content aren't as flexible as some other platforms. If you're used to platforms like Udemy or Coursera, which offer on-demand courses with the ability to learn at your own pace, you might find British Council's format a bit more rigid. Their courses tend to have set schedules and specific curriculum structures, which is great for those who need more guidance, but less so if you're looking for total freedom in your learning. The third thing is how personalized their services are. While platforms like Babbel are more interactive, British Council offers real-world immersion and specific test preparation. If you're someone who needs a structured approach for exam prep, like for IELTS, British Council's resources, including mock exams, personalized feedback, and expert instructors, really stand out. But if you're simply looking for casual language learning, you might find the experience a bit more formal than expected. Now let's talk about cost. British Council is definitely on the pricier side compared to some competitors. Their courses can run you anywhere from $100 to $500, depending on the level and format. Platforms like Duolingo or Memrise can offer free basic courses or much lower cost options. However, the value in terms of exam preparation, especially for something as important as the IELTS, could justify the price tag for many learners. It's important to weigh whether you're looking for exam readiness or just casual language learning. The fifth thing, accessibility. The British Council has a significant global presence, but their services can be a bit tricky in certain regions. While other platforms like Duolingo offer widespread access on various devices with easy-to-use mobile apps, British Council's app and website might not be as seamless or intuitive for everyone. That being said, once you're in, the learning experience is excellent, but it's good to know the limitations. Sixth, their customer support is known to be reliable, but like with any company, response times can vary. This can be frustrating when you need quick answers, especially compared to competitors like Babbel or Preply, where responses are usually faster, and you can get direct access to a tutor when needed. British Council's email and phone support are helpful, but it's not always the quickest route for solving issues. The seventh and final thing to keep in mind is the added benefit of their global exam centers. If you're preparing for the IELTS exam or other certifications, having access to an exam center with British Council is incredibly valuable. Their worldwide exam locations, quality control, and support throughout the exam process are superior to many alternatives. However, if your goal isn't to take an official exam and you're just trying to learn the language, other platforms might suit your needs better without the extra exam prep focus. If you're ready to give the British Council a try and want to get the best possible deal, click the first link in the description below. Not only can you get access to some exclusive benefits, but you can also try it for free. Don't miss out on that opportunity.